Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the revival bunny eggshell hat in Heartopia. So in this Easter event, Heartopia has a special event that called Wonder Egg Hunt like this, that you need to hunting the Easter eggs, resident Easter eggs that you can find it near the central square. And to get this revival bunny eggshell hat, you need to find at least 4 residents Easter eggs in total. And so just go to the central square over here, and then next just found the 4 Easter eggs. And if you don't know the Easter eggs locations yet, you can just check the Heartopia playlist in this channel to check the tutorials. And then next, after you complete, after you success find the 4 Easter eggs, you will get the cute hat like this, revival bunny eggshell hat like this. It looks so cute. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.